Okay, my friends, this is affordable off-road recovery. And in a previous video we showed you our transformer truck that turns into whatever you need: fifth wheel hitch, gooseneck, or bumper pull, or you could even put some gravel in there and dump it. But today we are going to show you how to transform it into a tow truck. We have not done that before, so this is our first time doing it. And today is kind of cold, a little bit cold here in southern Utah, Hurricane. And as you can see, look at our Hurricane Valley. This is where we work. This is where we play. Every day, look at, we have snow and it's very, very cold day. So stay tuned and we will show you how in 5 minutes with just 3 tools we can transform our transformer into a tow truck. So stay tuned, my friends. Here we go. This is affordable off-road recovery or economy towing. Today, my friend, my cousin, is gonna turn the truck into a tow truck in 5 minutes. Okay. We are pretty sure you guys have not seen that done before. So he's beginning his process, and we'll show you a little bit of what is done and what is required. Let me show you the tools that we use. It's only a couple tools. Only a couple tools and you'll see it transform into a tow truck. So while he's getting ready, I will show you our view. This is where we work. Right there you are looking at the Sun Dunes, which is San Halo State Park. Now you probably can't see, it's too far away, but it's about 15 minutes away. And then all of Hurricane Valley. All of Hurricane Valley. This is where we work, where we live, where we play on an everyday basis. So let's see what kind of progress Let's see what kind of progress he's I might have to give him a hand because some of the things are heavy. But like I said, 5 minutes. This truck was designed by Mr. Macedo of Economy Towing. He's been doing tow trucks for a long time, but just in the past year we started doing off-road recovery, which is something new for us, but we have all the equipment necessary for the job. So while he's looking for everything we need, let's give you another tour. As you can see, it's taking shape. That's the boom. In other words, the side rails are the boom. Now he's pulling the winch, which is gonna go right on the boom. So next time you get stuck out in the sand dunes or wherever in the snow, give us a call and you can see firsthand the Transformer. This is the name of the truck, Transformer.
You got it. So now we can use the winch. Even if we put it to the side, we can put it, you know, straight. And we also, if we had to, we can put, you know, the, I guess we call him the tobar in Spanish. Bueno, o en otras palabras, el tobar, ¿verdad? Ese es el tobar de la grúa, todo el equipo completo.
Pero no Rigo.
Y well, you know, we just want to share with you guys the invention that we did in order to go those places where the regular trucks or tow trucks don't go. And actually we have something that we know that is gonna work. We have a 18,000 capacity winch, and we also have another 18,000 heavy duty industrial winch in the front, so can help us to make the job done. However, it's nice that you guys to know about this, so just in case and you visit us in southern Utah over here in Hurricane, Utah, San Halo, or Zion National Park, or anywhere in this area, we can definitely give a good service for you guys. Well, I let you keep going with the camera guy.
We do have a patent pending on this this monster that we built. We're just waiting for it to show. So we do have a patent pending on all of our work. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next recovery.